Wanting to add that dreamy glow effect on your videos? Don't worry, I have got you covered. Watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any of it. Import the video by clicking on Import. Drag it to the timeline like this. Click on the video clip on your timeline and go to Effects section right here. Click on it. Browse through the available effects, or you can also use the search bar right here. Search for the glow effect. Hit enter. You can find glow options right here. Choose it from here and drag it to your video timeline like this. As you can see, the effect has been added. Now to make it more blurry and glowy, let me add this glow effect too. Once you have added it, you can adjust its intensity from here. Click on the video, click on adjustment, scroll down and adjust its color from here like this. You can also adjust its lightness. Now once you have adjusted its color and all, play a video to ensure the dreamy glow effect is perfectly applied and adjusted. Let me play for you. As you can see, your dreamy glow effect is perfectly applied. Once satisfied, click on the export button right here. And that's it. You have just applied the blur effect on your video. It's super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.